Hello everyone, in this video I will share makeup news of Benefit Cosmetics. Benefit Cosmetics introducing Juice Stick Dewy Gel Cream Blush. A hydrating gel cream blush with juicy, sheer, buildable color in one swipe and a dewy glow that's water-resistant, sweat-proof, and humidity-proof. Juice Stick blends effortlessly for a fresh, radiant finish. It's formulated with goji berry seed oil to condition skin with omega-6 fatty acids and coconut water to provide a refreshing, cooling feel for comfortable, long-lasting wear that keeps color looking fresh all day. Available in 5 shades. Price is $38. Each shades are Shellie, Warm Seashell-Pink, Gem Rich Berry Foxxy, Golden Brick, Crystah, Strawberry Pink Figgie, Cool Purple Pink. These new sticks coming soon on their website, and Sephora website currently pictures and swatches of this new product available at Sephora website. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon also for more beauty news. Thank you for watching. Bye.